Excel beginners, I will guide you through 12 basic worksheet skills by demonstrating how to create table data similar to this example. I will start with creating column title. Next, fill in the salesperson column. Oops, it seems there's a mistake in the fourth row. Let's fix it by inserting a new row. Go to the home bar. Click on the Insert command. Here, you'll find options to insert cells, rows, columns, or sheets. Choose Insert Sheet Rows. You can also do it via contextual menu. Right-click on the mouse. Select Insert. Select Entire Row. You can also insert new column by selecting Entire Column. Since we don't need this new columns, we will cancel it with Undo. Undo is used when you need to cancel previous changes. Next to the Undo button, you'll find a Redo button, which allows you to restore the changes you've undo. Okay, now we have one row and one column to delete. To delete columns, click on the Delete button located on the home bar. Choose Delete Sheet Columns. Delete also this unnecessary row. Continue filling in Salesperson column. Proceed to fill in the Date of Joining column. Change the date format to long date format. Open the Number Formats window located on the home bar. Choose Long Date. As the format is still not the same with table example, make further adjustment using the Format Cells box. Press this little arrow. Select the Number tab. You have many options for number format, including a format for dates. However, for this example, select Custom. Change the format code. Enter. Proceed to fill in the sales column data. Change the number format. Click on comma style. Decrease decimal place. Sum sales column. Type total. Okay, now let's tidy up the table. You can set the font type through this window. There are many font types to choose from. The font size can be set through this small window, or press the Enlarge or Reduce Font button. You can bold the font. You can italic the font. Also underline the font. Now, bold the column title. And the total row. Next, position the texts in the middle of the row. And the middle of the column. Position salesperson text like in the example, by pressing Wrap Text. Position the total text centrally between of cells A and B, as in the example. Click on Merge and Center. Great. The table is starting to look neat. Now adjust the width of columns B and C. Position the cursor over one of the right borders of the columns. The cursor transforms to a cross shape. Drag it to the right or to the left until the width is just right. Just double-click for automatic fitting. If you need to adjust the height of row, position the cursor to the bottom border. Drag it up or down. Or just double-click. Okay, next, change font color of the title. And the total. Change cell color of the title. Total. And the table body.
You should avoid using IFERROR functions.
There is actually a mistake in cell B5. Available on this channel since September 23, 2024. Then create borders. Select all ranges. Go to the Format Cells box. Select the Border tab. Choose Style. Color. Click Outline. Click Inside. To make the table stand out, hide the grid lines. Select the View bar. Uncheck the Grid Lines option. Fantastic. There's just one more skill to master. Let's proceed with the copy and paste process. Suppose we want to copy the sales column to column E. Select the sales column. On the home bar, click on Copy. Choose cell E1. Enter. If you want to copy just the value, use Paste Special. Click on Copy. Choose cell F1. Press the small arrow on the Paste button. Press Paste Special. Then select Value. Enter. So, now you have mastered the 12 basic worksheet skills. If you are a beginner, just graduated or a newbie, make sure to always check out video playlists of this channel. Thank you for watching.